So I'm gonna try a bite of this for y'all and see what it tastes like. Tuna salad on multigrain. Let's see how you open it. Ooh, it smells like dill. I had to find me a napkin. I had a Dunkin' Donuts napkin. And look at this sandwich, y'all. It's multi-grain bread. Looks good, don't it? See. It's good. It don't need no pickles because it has that dill flavor. Pretty much everything in Sprouts is healthy, so if you're looking for a good healthy sandwich, you see all the oats in the bread, and it's real fresh, and they gave you a good portion for $4.99. It's good, y'all. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. Yeah, right. I tried it. You're a good helper. Mm-hmm.